Hello kids, good morning. Here are the instructions for today's class. Watch the full video. If you have any problem to understand the video, pause it when you want and go back if necessary. Do all the activities and send them via WhatsApp. If you have any questions, send me a message, leave a comment in the video, or give me a call. You can also use Google Translate if you need it. For the next activity, we're gonna use our student book and cutouts. Page number 52, activity number 1. Read, cut, and glue. Animal House is a house for animals. Let's meet them. Hannah, the hen, is in the kitchen. She's cooking lunch. Rosie and Ron, the rabbits, are in the living room. They're drinking tea. Daniel and David, the dogs, are in the dining room. They're eating sandwiches. Carol, the cow, is in her bedroom. She's grinding a nail. Raymond, the rooster, is in the bathroom. He's taking a shower and singing. Kelvin, the cat, is in the basement. He is washing his clothes. Polly, the parrot, and Paul, the pig, are in the jar. They're watering the plants. Page number 53, activity number 2. Classify the words: stove, bed, shower, plant, bicycle, table, chair, TV set, lamp, sofa, fridge, shelf, cabinet, boxes, lamp, toilet, tree. Example: in the basement we can find bicycle and boxes. Answer yourself. Activity number 3. Read and answer. Then write a riddle. 1. You can take a shower and brush your teeth. Where are you? Are you in the kitchen or are you in the bathroom? 2. You can play soccer and water the plants. You can also observe birds. Where are you? Are you in the bedroom? Are you in the basement? Or are you in the yard? Fill in the blanks, then write a riddle. Example: where's the place where you can take a shower and brush your teeth?